In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize scene styles on Google Vids. So first open up your project, then at the top menu, click on Scene, then hover your mouse on Styles and click on Customize Styles. This opens options to change background colors and text styles. And at the bottom, you can click on New Objects and Scenes. And here you'll see more specific options for your scene's background color, title, text, subtitle, body text, and shapes. If you go back at the scene menu at the top toolbar, you can also see here more background options like a bunch of solid background colors and even transparent and gradient backgrounds. This is where you can also see animation for your scenes and even templates that you can choose from. Here you can choose a preset style to apply it instantly or customize individual elements like the text font, size, and color, as well as background overlays or effects. You can also preview the changes in real time by pressing the play button to see how it looks in your video. And once you're satisfied, the style will be applied only to that scene, leaving other scenes untouched. You can repeat for other scenes to create a consistent yet dynamic look across your video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!